Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Prashansa and welcome to my side of internet. Here I make videos related to makeup, fashion and lifestyle. So if you want to stick around, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright, without further ado, let's get into today's video. In this video, I'm gonna create this look. This is called Latte makeup look. This look has been a huge hit for such a long time in the internet, so I thought of trying it myself. If this is your first time hearing about Latte makeup look, it looks like this, this and this. So if you want to stick around and see how did I create this look, then keep on watching. Starting with a primer. You know, not priming is a crime. Since latte makeup is all about bronze and sculpted look, so I'm gonna bronze my face very heavily this time. I'm using this She Glam's bronzer. Now I'm gonna use a skin tint by Morphe for a very minimal effect. I'm gonna blend it with a beauty blender. Today I'm gonna use this concealer from She Glam. It's in the shade Chantilly. Oh my god. Okay. I got this powder puff from Shein and it's so easy to blend. It makes blending so easy and fun. I changed the camera angle and I think it looks nicer. Alright, I'm done with my concealer. I'm gonna quickly do my brows. I'll just use a pomade from NYX and I'm just gonna quickly do it.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, I'm gonna glue them now. You guys know it's from Got To Be, my one and only favorite brand for the brow glue. Alright guys, done with our brows. Now I'm gonna bronze more. In this look, we are surely gonna look like a latte cup. Alright, going with this. It just feels very wrong. I should do one of this video like power of makeup. One side I'm gonna do makeup and one side is like bare face and you could see the power of makeup, you know, that kind of video. I think I should do that one, right? I don't know. I've seen this hack from TikTok. If you want a button nose contour, you just have to like lift this up and then put your contour here. I hope that works. What the heck is that? Now I'm gonna use a powder. It's from Airspun. Alright, let's head to the eyeshadow. Look, I'm just gonna use my contour palette as a eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go with this shade here. Please excuse my powder line here. I am just fixing my nose. I'm gonna take the lighter shade and I'm gonna again go with this. I think our look is coming to the place now. I'm gonna try to blend this brown and black shade to make an eyeliner and I'm gonna smudge it. Okay, let us see the final reveal. Ooh. Now I'm again gonna take this contour palette and I'm gonna contour my whole face. time for our white eyeliner. Alright guys, for the highlighter I'm gonna use e.l.f. Hello Glow. I'm gonna take it on my finger and like that, top of my nose. My god guys, the glow. I will quickly use a mascara from C Glam. It's my current favorite mascara. I have YSLs, I have high-end mascaras, I have drugstore mascaras. I have used almost like 10 or 12 mascaras, but this one has been my favorite. Now I will quickly top it off with a eyelash shade. For the lips, I have this very pigmented lip liner. It's in the shade Deep Caramel, which totally makes sense with this latte makeup. Okay. Now I'm gonna take Milani lipstick in the shade Matte Beauty. Alright, now I'm gonna top it off with a Fenty Beauty lip gloss. It's in the shade Hot Chocolate. Alright guys, this is the look. I was very skeptical at first how this look was gonna turn out, but I'm very happy. So yeah, that's it guys. Let me know if you guys have any video suggestions for me. If yes, then please comment down below and let me know. I'd be very happy to see all of your comments. At last, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Keep on watching more. If you want to support me, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.